I poured this into my truck back there, and the moment of truth, I'm here at the smog check station. All the videos I watch about Cataclean, nobody actually takes to a smog check. The cat was bad. I had an OBD scanner reading on it. Watch this video. I'm going to show you the whole process, and if it works, hopefully this video will help you too. Went to good old AutoZone. It told me catalytic converter is bad. That is what is engaging the check engine light. I'm actually, as we speak, driving to go pick up a model. This is what I do for a living. This is just about as real of a video as it can get. For the record, it says I currently get 16.3 miles per gallon on my truck. All right, so I've taken the gas gauge down to where the gas light's showing. Now I'm gonna put the Cataclean in. Don't recommend other people to do this on the side of the road, but you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, we'll see if it works. It's interesting, while driving, you can definitely smell the Cataclean. Okay, I have taken it down to empty, so that means the Cataclean was really running through there without much gas. So I drove 23 miles, so hopefully that was really concentrated. It really blew out the exhaust system. Filling her back up. So I've reset the miles per gallon gauge to see what it gives us. As of right now, the check engine light is off. If it comes back on, I'll let you know, but I'm gonna give it a day or two. Honestly, just because I'm in the middle of a shoot. I'm literally working right now, so I'm trying to fit this in my work schedule. Finished up my shoots. Now I'm in rush hour traffic. And for cruise control, I'm going 77, upwards of close to 80 miles per hour. So even, doing the thing, sitting around waiting for some food. So I'm at 20.2 miles per gallon, but that's 4 miles per gallon better. It is Saturday. I put the Cataclean in on Thursday, and now I'm doing my last fill up before I take it to the smog shop to see, well, if it actually works. All right, Mr. Smog Check. Never been here before? Smog check incomplete. Let's see if she passes. If this doesn't work, from the estimates I'm getting, that's a couple $1,000. So if freaking $26 of Cataclean can wipe that problem out for me, and I won't have to get smogged for another 2 years, oh baby, that would be a win. Now's the moment of truth to see if we passed. Did it pass?
Yeah, the shit you use worked.
That Cataclean worked. That just saved me a couple $1,000. So I'm gonna go get my tags, and I'm gonna get it back on the road. I use the Cataclean. Have you heard of that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sometimes it works, sometimes not.
It worked for me.
Yeah, every single time you come, you have the chance to ask me to check the car with the scanner. 2000 maneuvers before I do the smog check. That prevents you to fail a lot of times. The name is Mr. Smog Check. I'm in service 12 years, 15 years with my license, and I'm here to serve you anytime you want. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Passing smog check. I know that doesn't sound like something you should be that excited about, but saving a couple $1,000, now that I'm freaking excited about. Told me I have 3 catalytic converters, so trying to figure out which catalytic converter is bad and or having to replace it, that could be so expensive and time consuming. The fact that you can see the measurable results with it changing the fuel economy, it did do something to the system to help the system run cleaner. When it comes to DMV services like registration, it's all about AAA. Part of the reason why I don't do as many videos as I used to is because honestly, it's a lot. Over time, I'm gonna try to share more videos of some of the other stuff that I do. It's stuff that's relatable to all of us because all of us have to deal with cars and deal with life. I already paid it and I'm just here to get the tags. Beautiful, beautiful. I'll count your blessings for that one, right?
No kidding.
Sir.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Sometimes it feels like getting these is more difficult than winning the
good,
lottery. That's worth owning AAA alone. Just being able to use the DMV services. It's a dirty work truck. Good stuff. And the other reason I'm so excited is I honestly didn't think it would work. I hope it helps. And if you like these kind of videos and you want me to share some of the other stuff that I do on top of photography, drop a comment down below, let me know. Keep shooting, never give up on your dreams. Find a rig that works for you. And remember, you only have one chance to get it right. When it comes to smog, we got this one right, baby. I'll talk to you later. Peace.